Good morning. Maghatid tayo ng estudyante. Say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hatid muna tayo ng estudyante.
Hey, let's get that today.
Oh,
Wow.
7 na mag-alas 8 na pero madilim pa din.
Yeah. Wow.
Madilim pa rin.
Snowing. I love snow.
Okay, pasok na.
We can slip around.
Oh,
School time.
ate, pasok na ate.
Come on.
Hmm?
Oh. Love it.
Tayo. Ah.
Yay!
Hi kayo, hi. Yeah, good morning. Say good morning. Hi.
Hey,
It's
hey.
no light. It's dark.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, go. Yes, go.
Yeah, malapit lang yung school.
Yeah.
Post negative 9.
Oh, yeah. Maybe there's no parking.
Ha?
Maybe there's no parking.
Kaya nga. Kaya sabi ko sa iyo dapat maaga tayo. Wala na naman tayong parkingan. Oh, si Kelsey, wala nang si Kelsey oh.
Ian left the door open.
Ellie, ay Ira. Tulungan mo si Ading, okay? Kasi wala tayong parkingan. I'm gonna drop you in front. Ay, hindi pa ano, Ellie. Wala pang ano. Diyan ka muna, Ellie. Maghintay ka, okay? Maghanap ako ng parkingan. Okay, baba na. Okay, baba natin. Left side.